Hi there, today I'm going to answer one of your most pressing twin parenting questions. This question comes from Maritza. She says her twins are 3 and they don't care what I say. I'm struggling with listening and obeying. Now this is one of those challenges that we all face as parents, is getting our kids to listen. And the problem with twins is that they kind of follow each other's example and lead in either a good way or a bad way. So oftentimes if one of them's going crazy, the other one wants to do the same thing. But what we found that worked for us is that if you focus on when your twins are listening, when they are doing the right thing, and you give them positive praise and attention for that successful action, successful behavior, they will want more of that positive praise and attention, and they'll do it more. So you're kind of preventing the not listening part by focusing on those small moments, even if they're itty bitty, even if they don't come very frequently. Focus on those moments when they do obey your instructions or follow the rules of the house, and praise them for that, and then they will want more positive attention. Now, advantage that we have as twin parents is that you've got 2, and so most of the time they're not doing the same exact thing, whether it's a good thing or a bad thing. Usually one of them, maybe if somebody's doing some mischief, the other twin is doing less or not doing it at all. So that's a huge opportunity for us as twin parents, because we can focus on the good behavior. There's like a role model right there. Focus on the twin that's doing the right thing. Give them praise and attention, such that the other twin sees that. And the other twin, we found 9 times out of 10, is going to turn that behavior around and immediately want that same positive praise and attention. Take a day and focus on the moments when they do listen and build on those successes, encourage more of that. And eventually you're going to see where the majority of the day they are listening because they want your positive praise and attention. Again, my name is Joe Rawlinson, the founder of dadsguidetotwins.com and author of 2 books, Dad's Guide to Twins and Dad's Guide to Raising Twins, that'll help you all along your twin journey, from expecting twins to raising them and beyond. If you'd like more helpful tips and tricks on preparing for and raising your twins, go ahead and check out some of these other videos that'll guide you along your twin journey. And subscribe to the channel to make sure you get new videos as they come out to help you along your twin path. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.